Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Box Coins and welcome to the channel. I have an in the post box today. This is designated in the post number 51. First of all, starting off with 3 coins. 3 coin change checker, gold label, notes, cards. It's UKEC presidency, the dual date one. It is, what's the other ones? D-Day and Sir Isaac Newton. Those are the ones that I have. So, as you can see, I have lots of these cards, and I have several blue borderline ones. What I need is, if you are needing any cards, these are all spares. So if you're missing some from your sets to complete or whatever, let me know and I'll try and sort out, see if I've got any that you need. Okay, next, a bit more housekeeping. And that housekeeping is, we have 2 lots of Christmas stamps. Now, I'm not sure if they're this year's or last year's set. I've got a feeling they're probably last year's by the looks of them. But they're all gratefully received. Now going to my collection, waiting for verification. First lot of coins. I have 3 coins here from Zambia. Is it? No, it's Zambia. Tasmania. Sorry, my fault, Tanzania. There are 3 coins. I will be doing this. I have a 4th one that will be probably in the next in the post box that I bought together. And these are the latest ones. I will be doing a review on these coins in a little time later. We then have 2 sets. We have a Jurassic Coast set, or Jurassic Britain. This one looks at, I think it's Mary Anning again, and looks at some of her full fossil skeletal finds and celebrates them. There are 5 coins in the set, and I will be going through that at a later date. And finally, last but one, we have the snowman. I have both the coloured versions and the blue card version. There's the other one. I will be doing a review of the 2023 one, and what I will be doing is I'll be doing this one as a separate one during my Christmas run through, which will be in December. These 3, however, will be done separately, or I'll be looking at each one of them, and I'm looking at a coin I've just got as an extra one, and that is the 2018, the original snowman from the UK, and I'll be doing a review on both of these coins separately, and that will be coming very shortly. Right, so we have the 2023 snowman and the 2018 snowman. They're on the blue card or loose. We have the coloured 2023 snowman. We have the Jurassic Park set from the Isle of Man, or the Jurassic Britain set from the Isle of Man, and we have a set of coins from Tanzania. I have one more to add to this, and it's this one here from Dave at NEC. I've forgotten that I said to him, if you can ever get me one of these, could you pass it on? There you go, you got the NEC sticker, and we have this. It's a standard £2 coin. So why has Dave sent me a standard £2 coin? Okay, Let me read you the note he sent me. It says, "Hi Steve, sorry it's taken so long to send this to you, but eventually I got round to it. So here it is, the £2 rotation error I said I'd send to you. Sorry again Steve, Dave NEC." Dave, you have absolutely nothing to apologise for. I said if you had the opportunity or you found one, I would love to grab one off you, expecting to pay the £2, but I didn't have to do that. If you've got a chance, please go across to Dave's side, North East Coins, and send him a hello from me and wish him the best of luck. At the moment he's not too well. He's got a problem with his eyes that he's trying to get sorted, and the NHS, as the NHS tends to do, they take the time. So Dave, from me, I hope you get well soon. I hope you get better soon and you're back doing your normal coin hunts and your normal coin tuber stuff. You're slightly curtailed in what you can do and what you are doing, and that's a shame, because you're a nice enough bloke, and I'd like to see you better as soon as possible. So thank you for sending me, Dave, and get well soon. So we have the £2 rotation error, we have the letters from Dave, we have the Tanzania coins, the Jurassic Britain set, the coloured snowmen, and the 2018 and 2023 Cooper Nickel snowmen. That's the inner post for today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, could you please give me the thumbs up, and also if you've not yet subscribed, could you please do so. I set myself a target of 450 at the beginning of this year, and I'm about 7 or 8 people away from it. 7 or 8 subs, sorry, away from it. So if you do believe I deserve it, could you please go and subscribe, and I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey in coins, banknotes, collectibles and militaria that I tend to cover on this channel. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, wherever you're getting them from, I hope you can get them for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching to the end, and bye bye. Ta-da now.